Let me also commend the governor of Benue State for the immense support and partnership he's giving to the traditional institution in the state. Your effort, Your Excellency, in the ongoing construction of the new and befitting palace for the Totiv at this very difficult time of economic downturn is a clear demonstration of your commitment to fully reposition the traditional institution for a greater performance. I am aware of your willingness to do more for the traditional institutions when the fortunes of the state improve. We are encouraged by your support and I pledge to do our best in superintending over our areas of jurisdiction. But I have a cry. Your Excellency, Mr. President, very ably represented, your presence today here is very significant, as the Team Nation is central in your vision of economic diversification, which is tied to agriculture. You are fully aware of the potential of our agrarian economy as a food basket of Nigeria. I humbly request Your Excellency to take advantage of available opportunities by involving the tea people in your massive empowerment scheme at the level of facilitating the provision of agricultural inputs and technologies that will enhance food production and value addition in agriculture. To ease the movement of agricultural implements and produce, we appeal that you kindly approve the rehabilitation of federal roads in the state in general and the dualization of the Makodi Boko Katsina Alata Kigan roads in particular. Lastly, as you take stock and make your next series of appointments, kindly be reminded that the Team Nation is not represented in your Federal Executive Council. Note also that we have not benefited from any appointment at the level of Chief Executive Officer of any federal parastatal in the current dispensation. We believe God will help you to correct this marginalization. In conclusion, I want to appreciate the Central Planning Committee for a wonderful work in organizing this coronation. I want to thank the governor of Benue State for supporting this ceremony. Let me thank all of you for attending this ceremony and wish you journey mercies and rare blessings as you depart to your various destinations. Thank you, and God bless you all.
On the say no more team. On the veto. Capital Kalala. On the veto. That's all over. Soon. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, after the very thoughtful speech by His Majesty.
Well, that was the acceptance speech by His Majesty, His Royal Majesty Totiv V, Professor James Joshua Ayate. Well, we've been joined at this event by very important individuals, both sons of the soil and friends of the Tiv Nation, and I'm now being joined by none less a distinguished senator from Benue State, who was also one of the leaders of the People's Democratic Party and now a leader of the APC here. I'm talking about Senator Barnabas Andia Gumadi. Well, Senator Gumadi, what does this coronation of a new Totiv mean to you? What's its significance to you?
Well, this is a very significant development today that we are coronating Totiv V. And I believe that everybody is excited here because we have got a paramount ruler that is bringing a lot on the table for improvement of our kingdom. And I believe that every team going forward is going to be a very proud citizen of Nigeria, because this kingdom is going to have a paramount ruler that will chart a new direction for everybody in this land. And I'm very happy about it.
Thank you very much, distinguished Senator. All right, well, glad to talk to you. Well, we'll have to let you go at the moment because the time is a bit short, but we'll definitely find time to talk with you in detail. Thank you so much for according us the privilege of your time.
Thank you very much.
All right. Well then, one of the friends of Benue State and the executive governor of Nasarawa State is joining us here live on Channels Television, Governor Tanko Al-Makura. Well, thank you for joining us, Governor Al-Makura.
Thank you very much.
Well, Benue and Nasarawa State, neighbors, both in peace and in conflict. But, Your Excellency, the conflict between the Tiv of Benue and the Fulanis who reside in Nasarawa, a number of tongues are wagging saying that you've not done enough to stop the incursion of Fulani herdsmen into Benue State for violent purposes. What would you say in response to this?
Thank you very much. We are here for a very special and solemn occasion. Let me first of all congratulate His Royal Majesty, the Totiv James, Professor James Tose, and the Governor of Benue State over this very important function. And history being made today for the coronation of His Royal Majesty. I want, on behalf of my state, Nasarawa State, extend messages of felicitation and congratulations to the Tiv Nation for this historical event. Beyond that, I would like to say, after Benue State, Nasarawa State happens to be the state with the largest concentration of the Tiv people. That is why we are participating fully in this function. And like you rightly asked, there had been some skirmishes and some challenges with regards to security problems that have to do with boundary adjustment, herdsmen and farmers' problem. But I can say with every sense of responsibility that because of the cooperation and support we have amongst ourselves, me and the Governor of Benue State, we have been able to domesticate this problem and fully solve it using community-based conflict resolution approach. And I can say with every certainty that the problem is over and we are one and united states together.
Governor of Nasarawa State, Governor Al-Makura, thank you for that reassurance. We're going to take it to the bank.
So that peace, harmony, progress can reign. Your Majesty, your speech was an embodiment of that mission brought by that famous Sokoto prince,